Look at that shit, dude. Fucking, I'm laying there in two, motherfucker. You probably can't even see the tee from there. I hit it about 260, and I fucking stuck it on there with a sand wedge right there, dude. See if we can see the ball mark. No fucking way. No fucking way. Dude, no fucking way. Oh, okay, here it is. There's a fucking ball mark right there, son. Pretty good little spin on it. Let me go grab my phone. You know you want to hit that, Logan. Honestly, yo, this is a fucking par 4, man. How much this is a fucking birdie? Fuck yeah. What I'm talking about. Yeah. How you do it?